In order to flash a hex file, in other words, reprogram our Marlin onto this board, I'm going to take this little adapter that goes from this large connector to our small connector, 6 pins. That will go on the end of this little adapter thing that we get in our kit. So we'll unwind that, kind of straighten it out, and I will plug this little adapter with the key in the right direction onto the end of that cable, and then the other end is the one that we will take the connector off and plug into our computer shortly. Before I can do that, I need to plug this in, and if I look on this board, it's kind of covered in solder. It has ground, basically our sensor wire, and power, and we need to plug that in to the underneath of our printer. So I'm going to unplug this USB cable that I currently have plugged in. I thought it might have a bootloader already installed because this board is supposed to, but apparently they forgot on this board. This is the version 1.1.4 board, by the way. So we're going to use this little Chinese adapter. So I'll flip this back up on its side. Got to unplug the power cord first. And I'm going to unhook our pin 27 board that we had before and just set that aside. I want to be able to get this little adapter in there, and I'm going to turn it so the key faces outward and plugs into these little 6-pin connector up here at the top. Okay, so this little 6-pin with the little key notch facing toward the inside of the board. I'm going to plug that in just like that. Then I'll take the other end and plug into an available USB port on the laptop.